Alright, so this is what the connector would look like. Okay, and once you plug it in, for example, let's take this smartwatch charger, right? Once you plug it in like this. It plugs in like this, and this is so this is what the connector looks like. And you just hold it in like this and it sticks, but it's too strong, so it can pull it out. So what you do in such cases is you plug this back in. Let me get that. Okay, and you need to hot glue this end, right? The gap here in between the white edge and the bottom, you need to hot glue those parts all around it, so it can stick, right? It can stick, it can get attached, but it doesn't obstruct it from connecting. So as long as you hot glue the end in between the edges, you should be fine, right? So that's basically what you need to hot glue the parts in.